King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the change put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexi babes, if you are interested in learning how to make this beautiful honeydew green lip gloss, then keep on watching. So I'm actually going to start by taking my Get Suckered lip gloss base, and the reason I'm using Get Suckered is because TKB had something on their site saying that they had a yellow hue in their lip gloss, and I didn't want a yellow hue in my glosses because I also sell clear glosses. So I decided to get Get Suckered, and it comes in 8.5 ounce, and I wanted to have a 5.5 like normal, like TKB's. So I'm measuring it to make sure I get a 5.5 ounce measurement. So since I make lip gloss so much, I'm pretty much eyeing how much I think 5.5 ounces is going to be. I'm going to measure it, and then if it says it's too much or too little, I'm going to adjust it accordingly. So as you can see, it is 5.2 ounces, so I'm only going to add a little bit of gloss more just so I can get to 5.5. And this is how much gloss base I still have left over in the Get Suckered pouch. Remember, it comes as an 8.5, so I still have some gloss base left, and it's a lot. So since this is my first time using their gloss base, I kind of want to see what the consistency is like. And it kind of surprised me because it kind of felt like it was already oil in here, like it already had the perfect gloss base without me even adding anything. So I was kind of confused. So as I kept stirring, I noticed that it was thick and it did need oil. But when you first mix it, it kind of feels like it doesn't need anything. So since that gloss base was so smooth, I only added 1 tablespoon of oil into a bowl because I didn't want to add too much because it already seemed like the gloss base was perfect, but I don't know yet. So again, I'm experimenting with this gloss base because it's my first time using it, so I'm only going to start with adding 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to add my green pigment powder to the oil base so that we can get a nice green color. I'm also going to add my polyisobutene because that is the key to having your gloss be extra shiny. And since this is like a honeydew green gloss, I'm going to add my melon flavoring oil that I got from L'Oreal Oils. And everything that I use in these videos is always listed in the description below. Now we're going to go ahead and give all of that a nice good mix. And since we're trying to get a honeydew green color, I'm going to add some TKB's white lip liquid to the mixture. Be sure to shake it because the lip liquids can separate in the bottle, so always shake it before you use it. So once that white is nice and mixed in, we're going to go ahead and add the oil base to the gloss. And the reason I have the spoon right there is because I'm just holding back any big clumps of the pigment powder that didn't mix in the oil mixture. So now since I only added 1 tablespoon of oil, I'm seeing that the gloss base is thick and is not the consistency that I need. So I'm going to end up adding some more oil. ended up adding a total of 6.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Again, 6.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. I don't want to see y'all in the comments asking me, how many tablespoons of oil did you add? I'm telling you right now, 6.5 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm going to take my syringe and go ahead and start to fill these tubes. And once you're done filling all your tubes, this is the beautiful outcome, this bright Honeydew Melon green color that I'm absolutely obsessed with. And now we're going to go ahead and give our glosses a gloss bath. A gloss bath is just soap and water just to sanitize your tubes and prevent them from being sticky. Actually going to show you guys how I add my labels, my vanilla labels, to my gloss tubes. So my glosses just came out of their gloss bath. I'm just drying them some more with a paper towel before I apply the sticker. So now I'm going to apply the sticker on my gloss tube, rub it in and rub it on good, excuse my nails, and then I'm going to slowly peel it off, and then the label will be transferred over to the tube. And now I'm going to repeat the same process with my squeeze tubes. Is a swatch of this Honeydew Melon green lip gloss on my hand. I also applied it on my lips so you guys can get a lip swatch. As you can see, it is a clear gloss. So I actually made this gloss for Easter in honor of Easter Sunday. I made this Honeydew green gloss and the baby pink nude lip gloss, and I am offering them in an Easter egg along with some candy, a nice little Easter egg goodie because we deserve it as well. The kids don't just have to celebrate Easter, we can too. These are available at my website now, so just click the link in my description at www.sexylexyinc.com to get yours. Also, before I end this video, I just want to tell you all to please go subscribe to my personal channel at Life with Lex. The link is in the description. If we can get my personal channel to 1,000 subscribers and my business channel, Sexy Lakey Inc., to 10,000 subscribers before my birthday, June 29th, I will be doing a super huge giveaway. So go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys and love you always.